Just a little video using my Ninja Ooni making pizza with Jess tonight. We enjoyed a lovely little fire and bonfire night here in the UK. Sit back and enjoy some B-roll. Here's a quick pizza dough recipe if you fancy it. 400 grams of 00 flour, tablespoon of salt, teaspoon of yeast, and then mix it with 225 grams of water. Easy. Top tip, make it the night before and let it proof. Using hardwood, I tend to find that I need to leave the oven door open just because otherwise it'll be cremated.